You step into the shower, ready to embrace the warmth and comfort of a refreshing shower. But wait, instead of a soothing stream, you're greeted with an unexpected chill. The classic cold shower wake-up call, a not-so-subtle reminder that your water heater needs a little TLC. Let's kick things off by delving into the heart of your home's comfort, your trusty water heater. Whether you're rocking a tankless wonder or an old-school tank model, your water heater is the backstage hero of your daily routine, delivering that oh-so-blissful hot water. Water heater maintenance might not be the most exhilarating topic, but it's an absolute must for homeowners. Your water heater works tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring you have a consistent supply of hot water for showers, dishes, and laundry. But here's the catch: just like any other appliance, it needs proper care to keep performing at its best. The efficiency of your heater is the secret to a seamless hot water experience. By regularly flushing out sediments, you're not just maintaining performance, you're making your heater an energy efficiency champion. And guess what? Those energy savings aren't just a one-time deal, they keep on giving, extending the life of your heater and keeping those replacement costs at bay. Now, let's get hands-on and decode the mysteries of water heater maintenance. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Flushing your tank is like giving your heater a spa day, it deserves a little pampering every now and then. For those in hard water territories or households with a hot water craving, an annual flush is a golden rule. Light users, every couple of years should do the trick. Time for a reality check. Skipping water heater maintenance is like skipping breakfast, you'll pay the price later. You will end up with inefficient heating, and sediment buildup forces your heater to work overtime, and that's not a show you want to pay for. And let's talk about damage. Sediment can turn into a corrosive monster, damaging parts and leading to leaks. It's like a ticking time bomb for your comfort. Now, the million-dollar question: do you take the DIY route or call in the cavalry? It's a choice that can impact your comfort and your wallet. Enlisting the pros means expert inspections and timely repairs. It's like having a hot water heater guardian angel. But if you're a DIY daredevil, you're in for some cost-saving adventures. Plus, you get to be the hero of your heater's story. Performing do-it-yourself water heater maintenance is a straightforward process. Begin by turning off the heater's power source, whether it's gas or electricity. Allow the water inside the heater to cool down for a few hours. Next, locate the heater's drain valve near the bottom and attach a hose to it. Place the other end of the hose in a suitable drainage area, like a floor drain or outside. Open the drain valve and the pressure relief valve on top to allow air into the system, facilitating smoother draining. With the valves open, let the water heater drain completely, which may take some time, depending on the sediment accumulation. Once the water runs clear, close the drain valve and disconnect the hose. Close the pressure relief valve as well. If the sediment buildup is significant, you may need to repeat this process a few times. Finally, turn on the cold water supply to the heater and allow it to fill completely before restoring power to the unit. This flushing process helps prolong the life of your water heater by preventing corrosion and maintaining its heating efficiency. So, whether you're rolling up your sleeves or dialing in the experts, one thing's clear: a well-maintained water heater is your ticket to comfort, savings, and those steamy showers that make every day better. And there you have it. From understanding the core of your water heater to making the call between DIY and professional help, we've explored the essential world of water heater maintenance. Need expert help? If you're in Inland Empire, Anthem is at your service. Dial 951-389-5151. And for our friends soaking up the sun in the greater Coachella Valley, contact us at 760-895-2621.